A very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let's revise on the topic worksheet 2, that is word. Okay, exercise B in page number 5 is very important as we have to learn those words very well. Okay, so first let us write and study those words which are there in our workbook. That is exercise B, page 5. So I kindly request you all to be ready with page 5 and also be ready with a rough book and a pencil. Okay, children, so let's move on to the topic. So I have already told you before to write and study these words. Okay, I've forwarded in the group and I've told you to write and study it 3 times. I hope you must have completed. Now in today's session, let's move on to the other words. These words are also very important. Altogether, there are 24 words are there. All the 24 words are very, very important. So let's learn the spellings well. Okay, now the first word is, I hope all of you are ready with your rough book. The first word we are going to learn in today's session is garden. It is also a 2-syllable word. So as we write the spelling, you sound out, you break the word into syllables and garden, D-E-N. So that is the way you learn the spelling. Okay, garden. It is a 2-syllable word. Clear to all of you? Please write it. If you're finished, now let's move on to, don't take much time, children. At least write once in your rough book. Page number is 5.
How many times?
Only once will do. If you write 2 times, you're taking much time, I believe. So you write only once for time being. Later on, we will write and study this 3 times. Okay. Now let's move on to the next word. That is T-O-R-C-O-D. These are jumble letters. When you rearrange it, you will get the word this. Doctor. It is also a 2-syllable word. Okay, it is doctor. It is also a 2-syllable word. Doc, D-O-C, doc, T-O-R. Write it once in your rough book. It's okay that you write once, my dear children. Why means later on we have to move for a revision test paper. Now let's move on to the third word, that is T-O-M-E-R-H. Okay, so when you rearrange these letters, you get the word like this, mother, T-H-E-R, mother. It is a 2-syllable word. Okay. I hope all of you are writing it. Okay, now let's move on to the next word. I hope all must have finished. Is it not, children? Have all of you finished? If you have finished, let's move on to the next word. That's why I've told you to write it once. If you write it twice, children, you'll take such a long time. Later on, we will write and study these words, okay?
Only the answer.
Now, let's move on to the next word. That is Agevulli. So when you rearrange it, what word you will get it?
Village.
Village. Village. It is village. Come on, write it. Village. Age. Yes.
Village.
Village.
I'm finished.
Okay.
See?
Yes. Now let's move on. Have all of you finished, my dear children? Have all of you finished?
Yes.
Okay. If you have finished, now let's move on to the next word. Now this word, UTCPIRE, that is also is very important. So what's the, when you rearrange the letters, what word you will get it? It is picture. Very good. PICTURE. It is picture. Picture. Okay, pick. It is two-syllable word. Picture. Picture. Okay.
PICTURE. Picture.
Yes.
PICTURE. Picture. Ma'am, I've been completed.
Yes. Okay, now let's move on to the next word. Picture is over. Now let's move on to the next word, that is elephant. What's that word is? Elephant. 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 Okay, please do write it. ELEPHANT. Elephant.
Library. Library. RARY. Library. Ma'am, Veda finished library.
Okay. Now let's move on to, we have finished with elephant. Now let's move on to the next word, that is library. Lie, Li. It is a three-syllable word, brary. Okay, all of you please do write it. Library.
Ma'am, Veda only write it.
Okay, very good. Write it fast.
Library. Library.
Okay, now let's move on to the next word. If you have finished, I hope all of you have finished. This word is also very important, my dear children. EAPKOC. What is that word is? Peacock. Yes, peacock. Please do write it. PEACOCK. C-K, peacock. Very good. Write it. All of you, please do write it. Write it only once.
P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. E-A-C-O-C-K. Ma'am, I completed all. E-A-C-O-C-K. Hospital. Hospital. Hospital.
Finish. Then finish.
Am I all complete?
Yes, okay.
Then
Now let's move on to the next word. That is Talphosi. It is hospital. It is a 3-syllable word. Hospital.
Hospital.
Please do write it. Okay, write it only once, my dear children. Please do write it only once.
hospital. H
Only 10 hospital.
S
Am I all completed?
I T L hospital.
Those all completed.
Okay, okay.
Completed.
We are finished. Let's move on to the next word.
Kitchen.
Okay, now let's move on to the next word, my dear children. So it is kitchen. Okay, K-I-T. Kit.
T-C-H-E-N.
Yes, C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Come on, write it. Write it only once, my dear children. Why means we have to write a test paper also.
F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y.
Then finish.
Veda completed February.
Okay.
Ma'am, wrote or complete?
Okay, now let's move on to the February. February is a name of a month. So we have to use capital letters as we begin the word February. F should be written in capital letter. F-E-B. Feb. R-U-A-R-Y. Yes, please do write it.
Ma'am,
And
Veda write first.
and even January is J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. Okay, January and February, please do learn the spellings well. It is U-A-R-Y. Okay.
Ma'am, Veda
Now the last word we are moving on to. The last word is yes. Today the day is Wednesday. Okay. Today the day is Wednesday. So Wednesday is also the day of the week. So we have to begin Wednesday with a capital letter. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Wednesday. It is a 3-syllable word. Okay. So please do write it. So as you pronounce it as a whole, it's Wednesday. Okay. But when you break the syllables, children, it is Wednesday. It is a 3-syllable word. February. Okay, February. Kitchen, hospital, peacock, library, elephant, picture, village, mother, doctor, garden.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I completed, then I read this.
Yes. If you're ready, let's move on to a test paper.
Yes. Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have daily test.
Not daily test, it's a revision test paper for you. It's a written examination. Okay. So let's move on to it, my dear children. Have all of you completed it? We have completed till Wednesday. If you have completed, let's move on to it.
Yes.
Yes, all of you? Yes. If all are finished, let's move on to a revision test paper. So kindly, please do take a new page. All of you, please do take a new page. Are you all ready? Yes? Yes? I can't see any thumbs up or anything. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, if you're ready, can we start?
Yes.
Yes, okay then. So, okay then. So, are you all ready with your paper or a book? Take a new page. Okay. So, let's move on to it. Yes. Here is your revision test paper for you. Can you see the paper? All of you? Can all of you see the paper?
Yes.
Yes. Your time starts now. Come on. The first question is the revision test paper. Write today's date. That is 29/9/21. Okay. It's your revision test paper, English grammar, revision test paper. Don't write the question. Read the question. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters and full stop. When it is rewrite, my dear children, you have to rewrite the full sentence using capital letters and full stop. Do it. Your time starts now. Come on, write it. So this is a model of the question paper, my dear children. This is the same model you will be getting for the written examination. So please do it. The same model you'll be getting for the examination even. I prepared the revision test paper on the same model of the question paper. So please follow the model when you revise for the examination. I'll be forwarding it in your group so that you can have a look at it. Okay, you can revise it for your examinations even. If you're finished with the first question, move on to the second question. Read the question by yourself. We are familiar with all these words, with these sentences. Read the question and write the answer as it has been said here. Rewrite means you have to write the full sentence. Okay, come on, do it.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions.
No, from question, that is fill in the blanks with suitable blanks. Only write the answer. Write question number 1, write the answer. Write 2, write the answer. Write 3, write the answer. That is the way you have to do it.
Fill in blanks.
With suitable articles. You have to know what our articles are.
Yes.
Okay, read the question by yourself. Let me see you all reading it. No. Write only the answer. Please do write only the answer. Read the question. The cow is dash useful animal. And in your answer sheet, write 1 and write only the answer. Similarly, read the second question.
Ma'am,
He
I
is
completed.
dash honest man. So write the answer only in your answer sheet. Read the question. Calcutta is dash big city. And write 3 and write only the answer. I don't want you to write the whole question. So this is the way you have to do it for your examinations also. Only if it's rewrite, you have to write the whole sentence. Otherwise, write only the answers. Okay, my dear children?
We want to write only answer.
Yes?
We want to write only answer.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I completed.
Ma'am, completed?
Completed.
Yes, now let's move on to the second page if you have completed it. I'll wait for everyone.
Can you?
Have all of you completed, my dear children?
Ma'am.
Yes? Is there anyone who hasn't completed the first page?
No. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it. I'll give you 1 more minute. I'll give you 1 more minute time to complete this.
Yes.
All of you, please to mute your audios.
And she said cow is saying one is my assistant. Calcutta is the big city. Calcutta is a city. The cow is usual animal.
Write only the answer. Please do mute your audios, my dear children. All of you, please do mute your audios. Right? Please don't discuss the answers with your parents. Have all of you finished? Finish it fast. Why is that you're taking such a long time to write only few questions? Now we have the few questions more left. Only for 5 questions we have finished.
Can you read the fourth question?
Yes, the 4th question means you mean which question? He is dash honest man. Yes, fill in the blanks for suitable articles. The cow is dash useful animal. He is dash honest man. Write it. And the 3rd question is Calcutta is dash big city.
Ma'am, I completed.
If all have completed, let's move on to the next page. Can I move on to the next page?
Yes,
Yes, the test paper is not yet over. It's only for, yes, I'm moving on to the next page. I hope all of you have finished. Okay, now let's move on to the next page. Next page is this. Come on. Come on, come on. Next page is this. Rearrange the jumble letters to make meaningful words. You write the numbers there and you write it. 3, 4, and 5. Please do it. Yes. NCEAL. You have to rearrange the letters so as to make a meaningful words. Do it. We have learned all these words. These exercises is very important because no options will be given for you. That's why I've told you exercise B is very, very important.
Ma'am, I completed.
Yes, okay. I'm waiting for the rest of you. Have all of you finished?
No, ma'am.
If you are finished, we will discuss the answers and we will assess our answers. Okay, no, I'll give you time. I'll give you time. Do it. Please do it by yourself, my dear children. Read the question well and try to answer it properly. Arav finished? Daksha finished?
No, ma'am.
Yes, come on, right. If you're finished with these questions, write the answers for the fourth question, that is 1 and 2. D-RT, S-UND. You have to insert an appropriate vowels to complete the following words. Okay, please do it. So this is the model of the question paper, my dear children. Yes, of the written examination, which you're going to write of 20 marks. Have all of you finished, my dear children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, come on, do it fast. We have to assess our work.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, how many of you haven't completed it? Have all of you completed? Give me a thumbs up. Let me see you all. How many of you have completed it? Yes. Yes, Ishan. Yes, Krishnaraj, Veda, Prithvi. Yes, Ryan. Write fast, my dear children. I'm waiting for you.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay. Please do write and study these words. Okay, today I'll be sending you to learn other 12 words. See that you learn it up, write it 3 times and learn it very well. This exercise is very, very important. Okay, so I wanted all of you to be thorough with those words. Okay, now time is up. Okay. I hope all of you have finished. Okay, so we are going to assess our work. So how is that we are going to assess our work? The right answer, if your answer is right, what you have to do, put a tick mark and put the marks against it. Can we do it? Yes? Yes, my dear. Are all of you ready? Yes. So let's move on to it. All of you, please check it. Okay. So, okay. So if the question is rewrite the following sentences using capital letters and full stop where necessary. So the question here is Rohit is my friend. We have already learned the rules where to use capital letters. Whenever we begin a sentence, we have to begin the sentence with a capital letter. So R should be written in capital letter. Rohit is. It is written here, rewrite. So we have to write the whole sentence. Otherwise, marks will not be given to you. Rohit is my friend. Is that clear to all of you, my dear students? It is given here, rewrite. So you have to rewrite the whole sentence and end the sentence with a full stop. Is that clear? When you put the full stop, see that let it be darker. Okay, now let's move on to the second question. She is my sister. We already have learned the rules. So begin the sentence with a capital letter now. She,
S is capital letter.
yes, she is my sister.
Friend.
Okay, and end the sentence with a full stop. If your answers are right, put a tick mark and give the marks here. Okay, 2. Come on, do it. All of you, please do mute your audios, my dear children. I could hear you. Songs is being played. Okay, now. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. The cow is dash useful animal. So what is the answer for it? Come on, tell me. Yes, is a useful animal. If your answer is right, put a tick mark. Second question is, he is, come on, tell me the answer for the second one. Dash honest man. Yes, he is an honest man. If your answer is right, put a tick mark against the second question. And let's move on to the third question. Calcutta is dash big city. So what's the answer? A big city. Yes. If your answer is right, put a tick mark and give the marks here. 3 marks. Have all of you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have got on this page 5 marks. Now let's move on to the second page. Okay. Now what is this word is?
Nice.
Yes, what is that word is? Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. If your answer is right, what you have to do, put a tick mark. What is the next word?
Village.
Village. Yes, what's the spelling of it? A-G-E. Yes, very good. So put a tick mark if your answer is right. Otherwise, strike it and you have to write the answer 3 times and show to me. And what is the next word? Come on, tell me.
Picture.
Picture. What's the spelling of it?
P-I-C-T-U-R-E.
Very good. Picture. Yes. If your answer is right, put a tick mark. Next word. February is the name of a month. So F should be written in capital letter. Yes. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. Very good. What's the last word is? Wednesday. Yes. And it is also a name of the day. So it should be written in the word with a capital letter. Okay. Wednesday. D-A-Y. And what we have to do? If your answer is right, put a tick mark. So you are getting 5 marks for it. Now let's move on to the last question. That is, insert appropriate vowels to complete the following words. It is dirt. That is I. And what letter should be inserted here? Oh, very good. So if your answer is right, put 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And here you have 5. So the total, the marks is out of 12. So it is 12 out of 12. Okay. So we are going to wind up today's session. So this is a model of the question paper.
Then I get 12 out of 12.
12. Yes, very good. So I'm going to, let me see all your marks. Show your marks. Let me see all your marks. It's time for us to wind up today's session. Very good. Krishna Raj, where you went wrong, do make the corrections. Okay. Yes, all of you. Please do show me your marks. Very good. Some of you have got 12 out of 12. Ashif, Prithvi, yes. Then, yes, Anmia, Anton, yes, Ryan, yes, Ashwajit, yes, Aradhya, yes, okay then. So it's time for us to wind up today's session, my dear children. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Bye, children. Bye. Bye.